Hi, boys and girls. Here we are again. But this time we're going to do another Minecraft lesson. Yay! Now, last week, what I asked you to do was pretty hard, wasn't it? Well, there was a reason I did it that way. I wanted to know what you knew about using Minecraft for education. That lets me know where I need to begin. So today's lesson is a bit of a review on some of the digital citizenship concepts we've discussed in previous lessons. They're worded a little differently, so see which ones you recognize. Now, while we're at it, you're going to learn something about navigating in Minecraft. There are some very important characters I want you to meet, and a few basic moves that you need to know. As the year progresses and we come back to school in person, we will be having a Minecraft club. I'm so excited about it, and I really hope that some of you will consider joining. Minecraft is fabulous. I'm really looking forward to learning and playing with you this year. Back to school. Interacting with the NPC. Okay, guys, with everything, there are rules, even when you play Minecraft at school. Here, my expectations are really, really simple. Number 1, always read your directions. Now, this is really important anyway, but super duper important when we are virtual. Number 2, try your best. Sometimes what I will ask you to do in Minecraft may seem hard. It's because when we do projects in Minecraft, you are using both sides of your brain to solve problems, create things, explain what you've done, and work with others. As we progress in Minecraft, you will be put into groups online and asked to work with that group to resolve a problem. It's important that you are always willing to try your best. And rule number 3, never, ever sabotage the work of other people. Whoa, wait a minute. That's a really big word. Do you know what sabotage means? Sabotage. Okay, that's got 3 syllables. Sabotage. To destroy or damage something on purpose, especially if you think it will help you win to do so. Now, some of you may have played classic Minecraft online, and part of the object of the game is to seek and destroy things that others have done. In Minecraft for Education, we do not do that. When you are asked to build something, you get a grade for that build. Destroying what someone else has done, especially if I haven't graded it yet, will hurt their grade. Also, you should not create something in any of your builds that would destroy the work of others. Okay, that's it for the rules and expectations. Let's get on with the fun stuff. The last time that you were in Minecraft, you entered a world called Be Creative. Today, you should be inside a world named Back to School. Once you are in the world, here is the first thing you will see. On your left, you can see the control panels. You don't use the mouse to move, you use these keys. So, you use W to move forward, S to move back, A to move to the left, D to move to the right, space bar to jump. If you use the space bar twice, that means click it very quickly twice, you start flying. E will take you to your inventory. C is for code builder, and shift is for sneak. Now, we will not be using code builder and sneak yet. That'll be once we start the club. Now, once you know how to use the controls and you're comfortable navigating them, you can select the letter H and that will hide the controls for you. This guy here in the middle is a non-player character. He's called the teacher. An NPC will have their name above their head, just like the teacher has his name. And they usually have something to tell you or maybe something to give you. Sometimes you will be asked to make a choice. You would right-click on the character in order to do that. You see this picture of the mouse down here at the bottom of the page? You notice how you have a left click and then over here is right click. That lets you, kind of gives you a hint as to how to communicate with this character. Now you can read what the teacher has to say right here, or you can click on this little button right here and you will be taken to the immersive reader. That gives you a read aloud of what is in the white box. At the bottom of the box where it says take camera, take portfolio, these are items that the teacher has to give you. You need those, so you would click on each button to take the item. When you move beyond the teacher, you're going to see a couple of chests. When you see the chest, right-click, take some of the items inside. But be careful. Look down here, you notice that right-click is open, left-click is mine. If you left-click on the chest, you will destroy it, and you will destroy all the items inside. You won't be able to get them back. So once you open the chest, you will see the items that you can put in your inventory. To move an item from the chest to your inventory, simply point at it with the mouse, click and hold down, and then drag that item to where the little empty boxes that say inventory. Now, your assignment today is to build something on that platform that represents you, what you like, where you live, whatever it is you want me to know. After you build it, you will use the camera to take a picture of it and put it in your portfolio. Then, open your portfolio and write a sentence describing your build. Make sure you put a sign with your name on next to your build and that it is in the picture. At this point, you can either start on your assignment or you can explore a bit further. Meet some of your new classmates. They all have something to tell you. Frank Farmer, Susie Stem, Patricia Petts. There are some boards over here too. You might want to read the messages on the board. Do they remind you of anything we've discussed this year? The folks at the very back of the class have some questions for you to answer. When you are finished exploring, please remember that you have an assignment. If you have not already done so, after you are finished exploring, please complete your build. You will use the camera and the portfolio that the teacher gave you, take a picture and write a sentence about the build, and then you will export it to me. When you use the camera to take a picture, it goes straight to your portfolio if you have one. Once you've done that, you just open up your portfolio and you can click right here to write a caption. When you are done, you would click down here where it says Export Folio at the bottom of the page, and that's actually Export Portfolio. When you click on Export Portfolio, it will automatically save to your computer. It should save to your Downloads folder. You'll see that right up here. You notice that it already has a name. Don't change the name of the file because this gives me the information that I need to assign your grade to you. After that, you will go to the Assignment tab on the Schoology page, follow those directions to turn it in. I am really looking forward to seeing your wonderful creations. Until then, bye, y'all.